Isaiah. Good work. This paper is really working now. What was strong included your thesis. It was good and clear. You do a nice job of explaining that NASA is really expensive. Sending things out in space is expensive. Mars is not hospitable. It doesn't have a good atmosphere. It doesn't have good temperatures, at least at nighttime. The plastic island is worth doing something about. We could fund it. The economic benefit of the cleanup and creating jobs. Nice work. Yes. All right. So you asked about works cited in citation format. So that's easier to do on the paper itself than in the abstract typed up here. So I've marked it up, and I went through and did that before I did anything else on your paper. So when you get the paper back, you can look at that good stuff. All right. Good question. And next steps. This is a really easy thing for you to fix that'll make it easier for your reader. Most of your paragraphs are just starting out by barging into facts. So start instead each paragraph with your argument and what you're trying to get across to us. And that will help us. So instead of just diving in and saying, there's plastic in the Pacific, for example, you could say, instead of putting the money towards Mars, we need to be putting this money towards. So just making an argument. All right. Now, right now, your paper goes in depth on the cost of sending anything out of our atmosphere, which makes it kind of seem like you're attacking NASA in general. So if you really want to do Mars, then even changing your topic sentences will help. Are you saying that it's expensive to send stuff and that's really not worth it when Mars is not a good place to go anyway? Or are you really trying to say we should quit all of our rocket stuff? Decide what your argument is and make that clear. Let's see here. I would suspect you should have at least 2 paragraphs on why the plastic in the Pacific is bad. And you could have more detail there. Like right now you don't really have anything about the numbers of fish, if I remember right, as to what's going on there, and a little more evidence. I've written on your hard copy too. Let's see here. And also the paragraph on plastic cleanup. You have more than one topic there, so break them each into their own paragraph. Now, for this next fraction 2, of course, we're going to have to lose some NASA jobs if we're going to cut all this funding from NASA, aren't we? So, are you saying we're going to create enough jobs that that'll balance out, or what's the plan there? Okay, good work. This is way, way better than your first paper was, and you're on the up and up. So keep it up.